Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add Memojis to your videos using the CapCut app. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers, I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First, open the CapCut app, then add one of your videos that you would like to apply a Memoji face emoji filter. Then just tap on effects, which is in the middle of the screen, and then tap on the body effects. And at the body effects section, the last one is going to be image. And with this, you can apply any of these different faces, and using AI, it is going to edit to your video, and it is going to follow your face and eye movement in the video. Let's try it on this one as well. As you can see, it follows the eye movement, the face, and everything. Now with the camera, it's not the best combination, but yeah, that's pretty much it, how it works. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.